Shri Rate Rate Rate. Again, we want that full chord. Rate 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 Sha. Namaste and welcome to Shri Rate Rate Rate. Such a beautiful chant. In a lot of my other videos, I show you the easiest version possible. In this one, I'm gonna show you a simple yet beautiful version. So it's not the simplest. It's still, I'd say, a beginner-friendly chant. Hey, hey, Govinda. Hey, hey, Gopal. Now we go to the next part, only moving the upper finger. Hey, Vasudeva. Hey, Nityananda. Hey, Vasudeva. Hey, Nityananda. Now to the chorus, we play C minor. Shri Rate Rate Rate. Again, we want that full chord. Rate 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 Sha. Shri Rate Rate Rate. Rate 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 Sha. Back to the F. Hey, hey, Govinda. And we repeat. You notice the chant is always going back to the G minor, so it's basically always changing the first chord, but then always coming back to the G minor. And a lot of the vocal melody goes in the notes that we hold down with the G minor. Da da da. So whenever you play this and that vocal melody comes up, what you can do is you lift the finger. So when you play it, you lift the fingers and press them down again to give a bit more emphasis on those notes. And it really helps the people in the room also to sing with you. So I sing, hey, hey, go. And I can even do that with the F. There's many more ways to go into the melody, but I'll get to that in the other video where you can check it out in more detail. For now, enjoy Shri Rate Rate. You might find that it's a bit difficult to play in the scale in the C minor with the harmonium standing just in front of you, so you will see me actually moving the harmonium to fit a bit more to my fingers. Just a bonus tip.